In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively place a trade using MetaTrader 5. If you're new to MetaTrader 5 or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps needed to execute a trade successfully. Let's dive right in. To begin with, it's important that you have MetaTrader 5 open and you're properly logged into your broker account. You'll want to check the top right corner of your screen for your connection status, which is indicated by colored bars. If you see green bars, you're good to go. However, if they're red, it means you're not connected just yet. Not to worry, simply navigate to the File menu, select Login to Trade Account, and then input your account number, password, and server information. With these details filled in, you should be able to connect without any issues. Once you are logged in, the next step is to open a chart for the currency pair or financial instrument you wish to trade. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+M on your keyboard, which brings up the Market Watch panel. In this panel, you'll see a list of symbols, like URUSD or XAUUSD, and you can right-click on the symbol you are interested in. Then select Chart Window from the menu. This will open a chart for that specific instrument, allowing you to proceed to the next step. With your chart open, it's time to open the order window, where you'll set the specifics of your trade. There are a few different ways to do this, so let's cover those quickly. The first option, which is the fastest, is to click the New Order icon located on the top toolbar, or you can simply press F9 on your keyboard. Alternatively, if you're right-clicking directly on your chart, you can hover over Trading and then click New Order from there. Lastly, from the Market Watch menu, you can right-click the symbol you wish to trade and select New Order. Now that you have the order window open, it's time to set up your trade settings. Here is where things get a bit more detailed. You'll need to select the appropriate symbol, which is the pair or instrument you want to trade. Next, you'll choose the volume, representing your trade size. For instance, 0.1N equals 0.1 lot or 10,000 units. The next two fields are crucial for risk management. The stop loss helps mitigate potential losses, and the take profit secures gains once a target price is reached. You can also add a comment for organizational purposes, though this is optional. Last but not least, choose the type of order. Either market execution for an immediate trade or pending order for a trade that will execute in the future. You're now ready to place your trade. If you're opting for market execution, simply click Buy by Market or Sell by Market, and your trade will open immediately. On the other hand, if you're setting up a pending order, claim the type as pending order and decide between options like Buy Limit, Sell Limit, or Buy Stop, and sell stop based on your strategy. These choices depend on whether you're expecting a price bounce or breakout. Set your entry price and, if desired, an expiry time. Once everything looks good, hit place to finalize your order. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for understanding how to place a trade using MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.